Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do waves, keyboard functions, and leveling system. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is go to settings, and we're going to go to, going to go to this, and then this. And now that we've done this, we're gonna make it so. Okay, this one I'm just going to make go really fast. And this one you can actually do however you want, but you're just going to be creating different like enemies at different positions. You can create them in any position you want, just edit the X and Y. So I'm probably gonna make this part go really fast. So I'll just talk in this part. I really like doing YouTube and making games, and I've actually been thinking about starting a passion project that I also want to be used as a long-term project. And basically what I want it to be is I want it to be called Potions X People. And it's basically going to be a game that instead of fighting with swords or magic or something, instead you're going to be throwing potions and using potions on yourself and stuff like that. But I won't say any more about it, so I won't spoil it. I'll work on it for like 2 years or something, but other than that, I probably won't work on any other projects, so yeah. So, hey, don't click off the video. Let me just find something. What about this? Jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle. Hey, look back over here. Jingle, 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 jingle. Okay, anyways, jingle, 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 jingle. Okay, anyways, now we can actually have brains again. Anyways, basically, I'm gonna play and you're gonna see what this will do. Sorry, my game takes a long time to load. Of course, after get through the original fight, soon these things will fight you. And yeah, that's all done now. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, from the screen to the ring to the pen to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. John, I win a ring. Do you believe that if I... Okay, anyways, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a leveling system. We're gonna call this, anyways, actually no, call it whatever you want. I do not care. And then on this, add 1 to kills, and then when kills, when kills is greater than or equal to 3, then we're going to make it so add 1 to that. Basically, this will mean we'll increase the max of some stuff. Then why am I even talking? I can barely see the screen. I don't even have a script in front of me. Like, I'm a low budget YouTuber. How am I supposed to do this stuff? I can't even see the text on this like CapCut thing. Like everything is like super low pixelated and like it's 500 pixels of space where there's supposed to be like 10,000 pixels something. But you'll see it good. So as long as you watch what I'm doing, you'll probably be able to do it. It'll probably play some like entertaining music for you guys, so you guys can listen to it while you wait. And I'm pretty sure now I'm doing more of the leveling system. Here I might. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Max something. So that. Oh, I see. Set mana to max mana. Ah, I see now. I can barely see, but I see. Anyways, that's finally going good. Yeah, I guess I'll just talk more. I mean, I guess since no one is really gonna watch this video anyways, I worship Machine. Now, don't click off. I'm not insane, and I think it's completely fine that if you worship God or anything, that is 100% fine. It's America, raw, or whatever. Anyways, I just wanted to say that to you guys, to anyone who is listening, and I really want you to keep watching this tutorial series so you can learn how to make games and stuff. And like, I don't really know. I just want you to see my stuff. So I'm pretty sure now. Oh yeah, I understand it now. I understand what I'm doing now. We're gonna change this to 5, and now it should be slightly harder, and we won't instantly kill everything. Oh wait, no, we're not. We'll take a little bit, but yes, it's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. It's a pretty good game so far. And yeah, I don't really know what I should do now. What did I do? I recorded this video so long ago. What did I do? Yeah. Now I remember. What? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna polish this game up a little bit. We're gonna get a gray background, and we're gonna make some like circles with it. And just to make some like, maybe it'll make it look a little better. I think this is vector art actually. I don't know. I've never seen vector art. I mean, no, I have, but like, you know. Yeah, we're gonna set both of these to mirrored so it looks better. And now, if we set it to the lowest layer so it doesn't go in front of everything, there we go. Now you can see what that looks like. Yay. Maybe I should add some more stuff, like, oh wait, I know what I'm doing now. I understand it now. We're gonna get some red, and we're gonna make this, and this red. Now this may seem bad at first, but it's about to look cooler. Now that looks cool. It's a really good color scheme, and now stuff actually looks way cooler. So that's that. Anyways, the final thing we're going to do for this video is we're going to make a simple keyboard script. And literally it's going to be mostly copy and pasting. And we're just going to make 4 on W's down, but we're just going to change this to the letters. You can change it to basically anything that you want your controls to be, but I just usually do this in my games. You don't have to do it. I just do it. Then we're gonna simulate the control for each thing. We're going to copy and paste this a couple times and move it to each spot. Then once you do that, you're just going to change the stuff for each one. And yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna do for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like and subscribe. Jingle!